All right, guys, I'm showing you today what my current pre-workout mix is. When I say current, is because I'm currently leaning out and I'm doing a little bit of intermittent controlled fasting or time-restricted eating. So in the morning, this is my pre-workout now, or it could be any time during the day. I'm having obviously my pre-caged about 45 minutes before my workout to get the blood into the muscle, prime my brain and my body for the workout that's ahead. I then, at the same time, take my Feridrox. This is my testosterone support matrix. It's very important that my testosterone is at its healthiest level so I can make sure that I've got strength, I've got vitality, I've got focus, I've got energy throughout the workout, and I'm taking my clean burn at the same time as these three all together because I am leaning out at the moment. So I want to make sure that my body utilizes fat to shuttle into the mitochondria, to be utilized as energy, to make sure that my blood sugar levels are stable as possibly can be, that I'm in thermogenesis while I'm working out, and now I'm primed, I'm ready to have a really good workout. Even though my carbohydrates are relatively low, I'm still getting a massive pump because of this matrix that I've got together. And then as I am starting my workout, that is when I am drinking my in-cage to ensure that I'm still in an anabolic environment. I'm not going into complete catabolism, and I'm making sure that I finish my workout as strong as I begun. So that is my matrix that I'm having at the moment that is working really, really well for me. And if you are on a fat loss diet, yes, add the clean burn. If not, have the carnitine, but have everything else together.